सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page number 60, verse number 64. सतो व्योमत्वमापन्नम् व्योम्नः सत्तां तु लौकिकाः तार्किकाश्चावगच्छन्ति मायाया उचितं हि तत्. Vidyaranya wants to establish Sat Brahman alone is there. Other than Sat Brahman, whatever we perceive, that perceived objects doesn't have real existence. The tangibility and the visibility of any object, whatever we perceive, it's a tangibility and a visibility. The solidity of that object is not permanent. It is temporary. Any object in the world, the whole misconception is because of the reversal of dharma dharmitvam. Dharma means property. Dharmi means propertied one. That which has got a property is called dharmi. Propertied means that which possesses dharma is called dharmi. Dharmaha asya asti iti dharmi. The one who is endowed with an attribute, a property, is called dharmi. Dharma dharmitvam. Dharma means adjective. A property is called adjective visheshana. Every object has got a visheshana. So generally, laukikaha means worldly people with worldly knowledge. They consider all these tangible, visible objects as the substance, as a noun, and they take this color, its shape as a form. That all are adjectives: white, blue, thin, tall, short, fat. All these are adjectives. So this is general understanding of everyone in the world, laukikaha. Not only worldly people, some people who are exposed to shastric people also. Shastra, those who are having a philosophy, tarkikaha api. The second line, tarkikaha api avagachanti. Even the logicians also take like this only. Substance, and substance has got its guna. Dravya, guna. Dravyam is called dharmi, guna is called dharma. Dharma, dharmi. Shastra says this vision, this perception of these laukikas, the perception of these tarkikas is false. The perception, the understanding of the laukika people, worldly people, even so-called educated people also, including scientists, except Advaiti, all of their vision is only false. Why this false vision? Because of Maya. Anything is possible because of Maya. Aghatita ghatana patiyasi Maya. Whatever is not possible, Maya can make it as possible. As though. The Mayayaha uchitam tat. That is the greatness of Maya. Adhik Mayaku sahajandane ani solrar Vidyaranyar. Mayayaha uchitam tat. Tat means what? That reversal perception. Looking at that dharma, property, dharmi, substance, they are seeing in a reversal form actually. That is the greatness of Maya. It is the nature of Maya to make the people to see in a reversed way. Like in mirror, when you look at the mirror, right hand appears like a left hand appears like a right hand. We never notice. We always see our only face. You see, your right hand appears as though the left hand there. Like that, Kannadi Madri, Maya job is what? Ellarnu ultava paaka vekkiradhu da Maya nuடைய job enna. Reversal. Vyatyayaha, viparita drishtya. Then what is the right vision? This is called wrong vision. What is right vision? Right vision is what I will tell you in the next shloka. What is right vision? Right vision is called prama. Wrong vision is called brahman. Right vision is called prama, jnanam. Wrong vision, wrong knowledge is called brahma. Both are knowledge only. Wrong understanding, right understanding. Right knowledge, wrong knowledge. Wrong knowledge means what? Wrong knowledge is called wrong vision. Right knowledge is called right vision. Right knowledge is called prama. Wrong knowledge is called brahma. What is right knowledge? Right knowledge is nothing but when you say Akasha is, we have to establish Advaitam. Akasha is, people take Laukikaha, Tarkikaha, take Akasha as a noun. Laukikaha, Tarkikaha takes space as noun. What type of space? Existent space. Existent space, existent will become property. Dharma. Dharmi is what? Akasha. But we have to see right understanding, right vision, right knowledge. Prama means what? Akasha is not dharmi, the substance, noun. Really speaking, existence alone is dharmi, the substance. It is called a noun. Existence. What type of existence? Spacey existence. That existence which is appearing in the form of space. That existence which is in the form of space. We have to say like that. So, that existence is noun, space is property. Existence is that which has a property called Akasha. Unreal property. It's not real property. Brahman is Nirgunam. So, temporarily we accept the property. So, dharmi is what in right vision, right understanding, pramana, dharmi is the existence, Sad Brahman. Dharma is what? Akasha is the dharma. What type of existence? That existence which is in the form of space, which has got the property called Akasha. Akasha Rupa Satta and Challadam. In the Prama. This is called right vision. Therefore, change your glasses. And Challadam is Astram. Change your glass power. What power? Intellectual level you have to change. Brahma is seeing the noun as adjective, seeing the adjective as noun is Brahma. Therefore, tangibility and visibility are not permanent. This tangibility, visibility of water, you say, how can you say easiness separate? Easiness doesn't have tangibility or visibility, but it has tangibility, visibility with its property. Just as water is in solid form, tangible, visible, water. Is it permanent? When it goes into evaporation, what visibility is there? When it is in evaporation, water is in moisture form. Is it having visibility? Therefore, it loses its substantiality in there. Whatever has got impermanent tangibility, visibility is not a substance at all. In course of time, it loses its tangibility, visibility. Even this desk, you see, if you remove the right leg, front leg, 4 legs in the top, tanitaniya pottu vechukonga, enna tangibility, desk angra tangibility irukka, desk visibility is there. So permanence is there for the tangibility? No. Including pot also. If you break this pot, where is the pot visibility, tangibility? Impermanent tangibility, visibility. Therefore, that substantiality is not real. Pot substantiality is not real. Similarly, Akasha is not real. Akasha is another name for Sat. In short, if you want to say, Akasha is another name for Sat. Vayu is another name for Sat. Sat means what? Brahman, existence. Fire is another name for Sat. Water is another name for Sat. Earth is another name for Sat. World is another name for Sat. Your name is also another name for Sat. Akasha, Vayu, Solomon, when it comes to your name also, what you have to say? Yes, this is another name for Sat. That is why when Namakarana time, the father says, Vedosi, you are Atma only, my dear child. But I want to keep one name for you for transactional purposes. அதனால காதில் மெல்லமாக சொல்லி வேதோசி சொல்லி பெரிய நாமகரணம் சொல்லுவான். இவன் நினைக்கணும் நாக வெங்கட சுப்பிரமணிய பேர், தாத்தா பேர், கொள்ளு தாத்தா பேர், அம்மா பக்கம் அப்பா பக்கம் 2 வச்சுன்னு இவனுக்கு ஒரே நீளம் பேர். அப்புறம் அவனுக்கு என்னடா பேர் என்ன, அவனுக்கு சின்ன 2 letters வேர்டு அவன் வச்சுப்பா தனியா. விக்கி பிக்கி అనేదో. Naga gone, Venkatesha gone, Subramanian gone, everything gone, only Vicky Vicky the Nikko. Naga Venkata Subramanya Sharma na Subu na Yarikana name Atma Kida name. So people are having wrong vision. So therefore Panchadasikara Vidyaranya says, may you Panchadasi students, at least you all of you, at least have a Prama, not a Brahman. See the noun as noun, don't see the adjective as noun. That is Brahma. So next shloka, he says, what is Brahma, what is Brahman? Yadyatha vartate tasyam तथा त्वं भाति मानतः अन्यथा त्वं भ्रमेणेति न्यायोऽयं सार्वलौकिकः. I used to give a few worldly examples, no? Then you can understand easily. Regular examples, they're not new. Chain, when you say ring, chain, so many ornaments name, you will take it as nouns. We take it them as nouns, dharmi. The property is what chain? Chain is golden chain. Gold becomes a property. Golden chain means golden, and the den chonnale property. Chain is a noun. Ring, noun. Golden, property. Golden chain, golden ring, golden bangle. This is called Brahma. What you are thinking is Brahma, Shastra says it is Brahma. No, what is Brahma? You reverse it. Goldy bangle, goldy chain, or chainy gold. Chainy gold, ringy gold. Chonna last class lo. Anna oru varam aachi. Avana remind pandren. Chainy gold, ringy gold, bangly gold. Like that, any ornament you add and say gold. So the gold which is in the form of chain, ring, bangle. Like that, you have to take even earthenwares also, even wooden furniture also, cherry wood, tabley wood, desky wood, all these are nothing but only properties of wood. Like that, you have to reverse the entire perception of the world. He says, seeing the object as it is called Prama. Seeing the object as something else is called Brahma. Silver shell, when you see the seashell, you see the shell as a shell, it is called knowledge, Prama, right knowledge. If you see the shell as silver, is it Prama or Brahma? Brahma. And you think it is a silver coin and approach it. You want to take it because of Brahma. So, shell, seeing it as shell is called Yathartha Jnanam. Yatha vastu Jnanam, Yathartha Jnanam. Artha anna porul. எந்த பொருள் எப்படி இருக்கோ அந்த பொருள் அப்படி பார்த்தா அது ஞானம். ஒரு பொருள்னு இன்னொரு பொருளாக பார்க்கறது அஜ்ஞானம், பிரமா. இப்போ ஷெல் யூ சி ஆஸ் சில்வர் இஸ் கால்டு ராங் விஷன், பிரமா. So what is the means of that? What you use the means? Prama, you gives right knowledge. Pramanam should give right knowledge. Pramanam should give right knowledge. But your eyes, Pramanam, these eyes are not giving proper report, right report. What report they are giving? It is silver report they are giving. Silver report is giving. As long you go near and do inquiry, you get only Brahma and thinking it as Prama. After going near only you come to know it is Brahma. Prama is, it is only shell. Yathartha Jnana. Shell, seashell ennadu Yathartha Jnana. That is Rajatam Drishti is Ayathartha Jnanam. Yathartha Jnana's opposite Ayathartha Jnana. Ayathartha means false knowledge. False knowledge. Ayathartham anna poyi enartham. Poyyana oru jnanam. Those who are not studying Shastra, they all have this false knowledge, wrong knowledge about God, about the world, about themselves. இந்த ட்ரையாங்குலரில் எல்லாமே பிரம்மஜானம் தான் இருக்க எல்லாருக்குமே, எக்ஸப்ட் பஞ்சதசி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், கீதா உபனிஷதிக் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். Everyone. Maybe your partners at home, maybe they are intelligent, you may think they are intelligent in something else. That also so intelligent, not real intelligence. What is real intelligence? Some students they say, என்னோட ஹஸ்பண்ட் சுவாமி ரொம்ப இன்டெலிஜென்ட் சுவாமி. ஷீ சேஸ், அவர் ரொம்ப இன்டெலிஜென்ட். அவர் கிளாஸ் வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி அவருக்கு எல்லா கர்மயோகி, அவர் உபாசன யோகி. And I heard from 20 years I am listening from students. I am very happy that your husbands are so intelligent. Not in this class, I am telling, some other class. One student, that student is not now coming, she is out of station. I am telling, she is in other place now, different state. She says, my husband is so nice person, Swamini. Whatever you talk, that karma yogi lakshana he is having. And he is ரொம்ப அவருக்கு ரொம்ப பிரியம், அவர் ரொம்ப இன்டெலிஜென்ட், என்னென்ன பிரம்மஜானம் நன்னா இருக்கேன்னு அர்த்தம். ஒன்னே ஒன்றுதான், வித்தவுட் சாஸ்திர ஸ்டடி நோ ஒன் கேன் ஹாவ் எ பிரமா. They are thinking that is a Brahma. That is why never praise anybody in front of Swamini or Swami. Never praise. What is there to praise? Ayadhartha jnanam. Enna jnanam adu oru jnanama? Shastra says, na sollala. Vidyaranya says, look into that. Yat yatha vartate. Yat, any object. Yatha, as it is, vartate, as it is. Yatha tasya vartate, ante as it is. Yatu yatha vartate tasya, எந்த பொருள் எப்படி இருக்கோ அது அது எப்படி இருக்கோ அப்படி, அது அர்த்தம். ஓகே, எத் யதா வர்த்ததே தஸ்ய ததாத்வம் பாதி மானதஹ. ததாத்வம், ததாத்வம் அப்படியே. ததாத்வம் மீன்ஸ் கரெக்ட் பர்செப்ஷன். ஷெல் as shell, rope as rope, sand as sand. You have to see. Shell as silver, sand as water, rope as snake. If you see, it is not yathartha jnanam. Yatha asti tatha bhati. As it is, it should appear. That is called tathatvam. Tathatvam means correct perception. எப்படி இருக்கோ அப்படியே தெரியறது. எப்படி இருக்கோ அப்படியே தெரியறது. ததாத்வம் பாதி, appears. Bhati is gained manataha, by proper means of knowledge. By proper means of knowledge. Suppose there is a problem in your eyes. Moon appear as a 2. Moon appear as a cataract problem vanda, moon appears as a 2. Your pramanam, this manam anna pramanam means a means of knowledge which is giving wrong report. So it is the mistake of moon or eye. Eye. A pramanam that which gives one moon is there, one moon only should appear. Manataha bhati. Just as it is, but it is appearing as 2, and your pramanam is something wrong in with your pramanam. Check with your doctor, eye doctor. Therefore you should not mistake there. Similarly, shell should appear as shell. Yathatvam bhati manataha means by the means of pramanam, by the means of that you get knowledge. Bhati means you gain the knowledge. So, yat yatha vartate tasya tathatvam bhati manataha. Any knowledge you get by what means? Any means. Oru knowledge, jnana indriyam gives knowledge. Can you get knowledge without a means? Can you gain anything without a means? Means anna var sadhanam. Shabda jnanam through ears. Sparsha jnanam through the touch. Gandha jnanam through the nose, taste jnanam, ruchi jnanam through the tongue, rupa jnanam through the eyes. Pancha jnanendriyani gives pancha jnanani. Similarly, that pramanams are right pramanams. If you listen wrongly, if you smell wrongly, cold vanda ennennamo smell varum. That is not the flower. Jasmine smell theriyadu, appadin jasmine smell irukka illeyanu solluvela. That is your problem in the pramanam. Manataha tathatvam bhati. This is called prama. Okay, the object appears, I perceive as it is through a means, the right knowledge. Then what is wrong knowledge? Anyathatvam brahmena iti. It appears as a different way. Anyatha. Anyatha means yathatvam ke opposite anyathatvam. வேறாக தெரிகிறது. One moon appearing as a two, shell is appearing as silver, rope is appearing as snake, Atma is appearing as this Mamiyar. Or Atma is appearing as Marumagal, Atma is appearing as boss, Atma is appearing as different names and forms. This is called Anyathatvam. Morning onwards till night, what you have? Anyathatvam. But what we think, என்ன அகங்காரம் பாருங்க, நமக்கு இப்போ அந்நியதாத்வம்ல இருந்தே ஐயாம் இந்திரன் சந்திரன் சூரியன் ஒரு கோடி இருந்தாலே போதும் நமக்கு. பீப்புள் திங்க் ஐ ஆம் த ரிச்சஸ்ட் பர்சன், ஐ ஆம் த ஒன்லி ஒன், ஐ நோ எவ்ரி திங். என்ன நோஸ் யூ நோ? அந்நியதாத்வம். யூ ஆர் இன் மிஸ்டேக்கிங் யுவர் செல்ஃப், யூ ஆர் பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ். You are not perceiving your real nature because of your Brahma. You are relying upon these pramanams which are reporting wrongly. They are reporting wrongly and you are getting Brahma knowledge, Brahma wrong vision and thinking that is right. So what? So what? You have to suffer. The sorrow, insecurity, unhappiness, marana bhayam, all this will chase you. As long as you see the rope as snake, you have to run away. Frightening, sweating, tremors. அந்நியதாத்வன்ல ஞானம்ல சும்மா விடுமா என்ன? இல்லாத பாம்பு போய் பாம்பை பார்த்தா கயிறுனே பயம் இருக்காது. See, Nama Rupa, when you see husband, children, family members, people, all these things in differently, Nama Rupa, this Anyathatvam, Chumma Viduma Adi, and the Gnanam, Brahma Gnanam, it chases you because of your Brahma. That Brahma Gnanam will chase you in what way? Inferiority complex, guilt, hurt, worry, insecurity, sorrow, and list. Shad Vikaraha. What Shad Vikarana is? This one, Pasi, Daham, Raga, Dvesha, Janana, Marana, Vyadhi, Shad Ripus, all are there chasing you. Chumma Brahmadane Pan, Irindu Pogatumena. Pamadane Pathan, Irindu Pogatana, it won't leave you. It will not allow you to sleep. Okay. And it will chase you lifelong. Clear? Therefore, he says, Anyathatvam pramena iti nyayaha ayam. This is the logic. Ayam nyayaha. Nyayaha means this is the logic. What logic? That பொருள் இருக்கிறது இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியணும். That is called right knowledge. It is appearing as a different way means that is Brahma. அதெல்லாம் உன்னுடைய பிரம்மா அன்னு சொல்கிறோமா இல்லையா? நாமெல்லாம் பேசும்போதும் கூட அதெல்லாம் உன்னுடைய பிரம்மா. இல்லை நேற்று நைட்டு யாரோ நடக்கும்போது பார்த்தேன்னா பீப்புள் ஹேவ் லாட் ஆஃப் ஃபியர். நேற்று அங்கே என்னமோ சத்தமாயிடுச்சு சுவாமினி, இங்கே என்னமோ நடந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு, அங்கே யாரோ உட்கார்ந்துருக்கா. இதெல்லாம் என்ன? பிரமா அது பிரமா. அது பிரம்மான்னு தெரிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட பயம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? அது பிரம்மான்னு தெரிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட சுவாமிஜி ஆல்வேஸ் கிவ்ஸ் ஒன் எக்ஸாம்பிள். In a young age, we used to play, keep a coin here, நல்லா ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுவோம். நல்லா ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி காயின் will take it out. They will take it out. That person close his eyes. After taking out that coin, the press பண்ண ஃபீலிங் இருக்கும். இன்னும் அந்த காயின் எடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட இந்த ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண ஃபீலிங் இருக்குமா இருக்காதா? இருக்கும். ஏன்னா இம்ப்ரிண்ட், அந்த இன்பிரிண்ட் அப்படியே இருக்கும். காயின் இல்லை, போச்சு. தெர் இஸ் நோ காயின், ஐ நோ, பட் தெர் இஸ் எ ஃபீலிங் ஆஃப் காயின். அந்த ஃபீலிங் மூலம் என்ன பண்ணும்? எடுத்து எடுத்து பார்ப்போம் இல்லாத காயினுக்கு. இது ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள். another example, same way, அந்த தசமோசி தசமஹா, அந்த 10 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் சிஷ்யாஸ், அந்த 10வது ஆள் காணும். 10th ஸ்டூடெண்ட் இஸ் நாட் தேர், 10th ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கான் ட்ரவுண்ட்னு அழுதுன்னு இருக்கான். அழுதும் போது என்ன பண்ண, அந்த ட்ரீக்கு போய் ஹிட்டிங் ஹிஸ் ஹெட். What answer can I give to my guru? One student, 10 student, Paramananda is Shishya. Okay, 10 students, one student died. He is hitting his head to the tree. While hitting, he got a bump here, big bump. After getting that bump, one Kurpad Guru, திருப்பி கவுண்ட் பண்ணப்பா, திருப்பி கவுண்ட் பண்ணி 10 வாட்டி கவுண்ட் பண்ண வச்சுன்னா அப்புறம் 10வது ஆள் இருக்க. The 10th man is himself. The one who is counting left himself and counting. And he come to know that there are 10 people. இந்த பம்ப் இருக்குமா இருக்காதா? அந்த பம்ப் பெயின், பம்ப் ஃபீலிங் இருக்கும், தொட்டுன்னு இருப்பா. நானும் தான் 10வது ஆள் அடிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். I am the 10th man, I am feeling this bump. So what? Why you are telling all these examples? Like that, in the world also, in spite of all this listening in the class also, Swamini, ஒரே ப்ராப்ளமா இருக்கு, ஒரே ப்ராப்ளமா இருக்கு. எங்க சொல்றதில்ல, எங்க போறதோ தெரியல. இந்த பே ஆஃப் பெங்கால் இந்த கிளாஸ் பை கிளாஸ் படிச்சதில்ல, எங்கே போறதோ எவாபரேட் ஆகிறதோ என்னன்னு தெரியல. எல்லாம் ஒரே ப்ராப்ளம்னு சொல்லி கேஸ்ட்ரா இந்த ஃபேஸ் வச்சுட்டு என்னோட தலை எழுத்து சுவாமினி நான் நல்லா சொல்கிறேன். என்ன பண்ணுறது? அதுதான் பம்புன்னா போகாது அவ்வளோ ஈஸியாக. முன்னாடி அடிச்சுக்கின வாசனை இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதெல்லாம் இருக்கும். அந்த பம்ப் ரூபேன அஸ்தி பூர்வ வாசனை. திஸ் இஸ் கால்டு நியாய. வேர்ல்டில் பிரம்மா ஞானம்ல இருந்து பீப்புள் ஆர் திங்கிங். That's why Pujya Swamiji says, Dayananda Swamiji, one big psychologist, he moved all over the world and he met many people, and he's a psychologist. He want to write who is the sanest person, sane person in the world. He interviewed so many people from so many field of working executives. எல்லாருமே இன்டர்வியூ பண்ணி when he is writing, finally he come to know, he interviewed sannyasis also. Finally he wrote what? The one person only is the sanest person in the world. He is a sannyasi. Sannyasi alone. Sannyasi enna gnani. Don't think ellaru sannyasi sane சொல்லுவாங்க. என்ன சில பேர் பைத்தியக்காரன் சன்னியாசி கூட இருப்பான். காவி போட்டாலே யாரோ ஒரு பைத்தியக்காரன் மாதிரி வேற பண்ணிட்டான்னு எல்லா சன்னியாசிக்கு அப்போ இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஸோ பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் வேரிங் saffron clothes, some people misuse that and they get a wrong name. We should not consider every sannyasi is like that. Okay, real sannyasi who is a gnani is the sane person in the world. ஏன்னா அவனுக்கு பிரம்மஜானம் இல்லை, அதுதான். Why he is sane? He is having Brahma. He doesn't have Brahma. How you calculate this sanity? That is why Brahma people are all insane. Now you want to be sane or insane? You decide. So that is why Anyathatvam. Anyathatman, seeing one thing as other. Brahma iti Nyayaha ayam. இது எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் இல்லையோ? திஸ் இஸ் எவ்ரி ஒன் நோஸ். சீயிங் ஒன் திங் ஆஸ் அதர் இஸ் கால்ட் பிரம்ம. சீயிங் திங் ஆஸ் இட் இஸ் கால்ட் நாலேஜ். ரைட் நாலேஜ் இஸ் ராங் நாலேஜ். சப்போஸ் ஐ ஷோ யூ திஸ் இஸ் வாட் ஃப்ளவர், நாட் திஸ் இஸ் நாட் ஃப்ளவர் சுவாமி, திஸ் இஸ் அ டாக். என்ன தட் இஸ் பிரம்ம. யூ see flower as flower, Brahma. This is, for this you need not to study any PhD. Nyayaha ayam sarvalaukikaha. It is very, very common law in the world. Okay, next shloka. Evam shruti vicharat prak yatha yadvastu bhasate vicharena viparyeti tatastachintyam viyat. Now Vidyaranya is asking these Laukikas and Tarkikas, All people he is addressing. Oh people, you are telling that space you are taking as noun. Don't take like that. That is wrong. Your perception is wrong. Shruti vicharat prak, what you are having Brahma, that Brahma you have to remove by Prama. He says, evam, in this manner, Shruti vicharat prak. Shruti means Vedanta. Bhagavad Gita, Prakarana Grantha, Upanishadic teaching. Shruti vichara means inquiry. Before, eva means in this way, Shrutihi, the statement of the scriptures. Vichara means inquiry. Vicharat prak, before the inquiry of this scriptural statements. Before coming to the scripture inquiry of the scriptural statements, Vicharat prak, not Tamila Vicharam. Vicharam is analysis, inquiry, study. Yatha yadvastu bhasate. Yatha yadvastu bhasate asmabhihi. Yatha, just as Yadvastu, the Brahman, Yadvastu bhasate. Yat sadrupa Brahma, Yatha bhasate, is grasped. Vicharena, Viparyaya iti, tat chintatam viyat. Viparya, before coming to this Vedanta, my understanding is viparyayam, reverse. In reverse way I was thinking before coming to Vedanta study. Vinchinchatam, may you inquire, may you think over, may you think. Viyat, Viyat means Akasha. What you was thinking, the Viyat, Akasha as noun, existence, is it property? Akasha is substance, tangible. You were thinking. Now after inquiry, Shastra inquiry, what you have to consider your previous Brahma? That is Viparyaya. What I was thinking, see, after seeing the rope as rope, putting torchlight, or switch, seeing the rope as rope, then what you have to think? You have to think, before switching on that light or torch light, I was thinking there is a snake. That is Viparyaya. இல்லையோ அப்படிதானே? இந்த லைட்டு போடுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி எனக்கு எப்படி எந்த மாதிரி எண்ணம் இருக்கு இந்த ரோப் மேலே? ஸ்னேக்குங்கிற எண்ணம் இருக்கு. அந்த எண்ணம் சரியானதா? விபர்யயா. I saw the rope as snake previously before the light comes. You have to recognize it or not. அதே மாதிரி here also. I was thinking Akasha is as a noun. Vayu, you have to supply to all. Vayu as a noun. And fire as a noun, earth as a noun. Earth is a substance, a tangible, visible earth. I am taking it as a noun now. After studying Panchadasi, so many other texts and all, Upanishads, what? My understanding about the earth as a noun is Viparyayam. Earth is called substance. Earth is called a property. Earthly isness, existent. Existent is substance, which is not changing. The tangibility, visibility of earth, which is changing, temporary, it is not right knowledge. Then what? Existence is in the form of earth, because there is no second real thing in the world. Earth is there means that is unreal, name temporarily given to isness. Water, another name, temporary name given to existence. Fire, another name given to existence. Air, another name given to existence. What are all these things? Space, air, earth, water, all these, all are properties of Brahman. What about your name? This is also property of Brahman. What I had previously, that is viparyaya. That is viparyaya. Reversal knowledge I had. Swamini, edhukku Swamini idella kattikkanum ipo? Anu sandeham varum. Why I have to know earth, fire, water, all are properties, existence only noun? You have to own up that existence you are. Until you assimilate this teaching, what viparyaya you have got? I am wife of so and so. I am the target of so and so problem. I have date of birth. I am going to have date of death. Going to have date of death. Eppu enna disease varumo theriyadu. Because of this wrong perception, all I superimpose these properties, what body has got, vyadhi, jara, marana, all these I superimpose on me, the existence. Brahma. In the Brahma Jnana Moolama enna ahana sorrow, dukkam. Enakku dukkam venda anna vandudu. As long as you see the snake, dukkam irkum. Dukkam venda anna enna pandanum? Kaira paru. Dukkam venda anna sattu satta purinjuko. Nan Brahman ani purinjuko. Own up, claim it. I cannot be. Can rope become snake? That rope. Can sand become water? Can seashell can become silver? Can I, the Brahman, become housewife of so and so? Can I, the existent Sat Brahman, have birth and death? Can I, the Sat Brahman, have pasidaham? Pasidaham, raga, dvesha, birth, death belongs to the body-mind complex. Inevitable, bound to be there. You cannot change. I am ever free from all. This ahankara lower I is never free. அப்போ எப்படி இருக்கணும்? மூஞ்சனா தெளிவாக இருக்கும். இந்த ஞானம் இருந்தால் எவ்வளோ பிரைட்டாக இருக்கு பாருங்க. உங்கள் ஃபேஸு ஒரு ஃபியூ செகண்ட்ஸ் அட்லீஸ்ட் பிரைட்டாக இருக்கும். இதே ஞானம் 24 hours இருந்தால் அம்மோ டியூப் லைட்டே வேண்டாம், லைட்டே போட்டுக்க வேண்டாம். எதுக்காக கிளாஸ் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறது புரியறதா? இப்போ சும்மா டைம் பாஸ்க்காக வரோம். We all of us working to come out of Brahma to Brahma. Not about anything else, about myself. இங்கே தான் ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டார்டிங். இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் லைக் இன்ஃபெக்ஷியஸ் டிசீஸ் மாதிரி இந்த பிரம்மஜானம் எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் டு ஹவு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் அண்ணா so much distance I extend up to Newark. Whole world I spread like infectious disease மாதிரி. I run away by seeing that snake and hitting others, and I frighten him also, and they also run. அதே மாதிரி என்னோட அஜ்ஞானம் வச்சுண்டு I spread to my children this infection. இந்த அஜ்ஞான இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் பிரம்மா ஜானம் I inflict to my children, my grandchildren, grandchildren, great grandchildren. I inflict everyone and they have to suffer. அதுவே வை பர்சன்டேஜ் சன்னியாச புரியறதா? இப்போ அவருக்கு பிரம்மா ஜானம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த பிரம்மா அவனுக்கு வேண்டாப்பா, அதனால போகட்டோன்னு விட்டுட்டு ஓடிடுவான். என்ன once you get Brahma Jnanam, you cannot withstand with this Brahma Jnanam. You must have that capacity to withstand with this Brahma Jnanam. That's why gurus, out of compassion, they are in the society along with the Brahma Jnanams. Out of Karuna, they are giving Brahma to these people who are having Brahma. Puriyarada? Otherwise, they will run away. They have that much stamina. With that Brahma, they are able to attack the Brahma of hundreds of students. What a power of that Brahma. It is not the greatness of the person, I am telling. The person is standing, handling hundreds and thousands of people's Brahma means how powerful that prama jnanam of that jnani. Understand? Don't take it as granted. ஏன் அதையும் தெரியலையே, நம்ம பிரம்மாஜானம் இருக்கா நமக்கு தெரியாது, அவர் பிரமலம் இருக்கார் அவருக்கு நமக்கு தெரியாது. அதனால நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோன்னா, அவருக்கு தெரியும், குருவுக்கு தெரியும் நான் பிரமலம் இருக்கேன், அவங்கள பிரமலம் இருக்கார் தெரிஞ்சு he is managing. But people do not know that they are in பிரம்மாஜானம். They are thinking they are having right knowledge. அப்படி நினைக்கும் போது அப்படி குருக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும் பாருங்க, எப்படி இருக்கும். எவ்வளவோ கருணை இருந்தாதான் அந்த குரு இருந்து நம்ம மத்தியில் சொல்லி கொடுக்க முடியும். நாட் ஆர்டினரி கருணை. தெரியுறதா? தேர்ஃபோர் குருக்கு எத்தனை நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணும்? இப்போ சொல்லுங்க, எத்தனை நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணும்? கோடி கோடி நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணால் கூட பத்தாது. விழுந்து விழுந்து பட்டால் உனக்கு முட்டி வலிதான் வருவே தவிர. தட் இஸ் வை அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் வாட் இஸ் த டிஃபரன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் பிரம்மா அண்ட் பிரமா. Sruti vicharat prak. What I had, Brahma Jnanam, body mind complex Brahma I had. Now I understand that is Viparyayam. Wrongly, reverse way I have taken. I am Brahman. I have body mind complex. This is called Brahma. Tat chintyatam viyat. And the viyat akasha, space is when you say, does that space has got existence of its own? Tasmadva etasmad atmanaha akasha sambhutaha. Akasha existence, it has a borrowed existence from existence. So akasha doesn't have existence of its own. It has borrowed the existence. It is maya jadam. Next shloka says, भिन्ने वियत्सति शब्दं भेदात् बुद्धेश्च भेदतः वायुवादिष्वनुवृत्तं सत् वायुवादिष्वनुवृत्तं सन् वृत्तं सन् न तु व्योमेति भेदधीः. Chintyatam viyat, he said in the 66th shloka. This space is a noun, existence is a property, is viparyaya. After studying Shruti, only you come to know this. Shruti vicharat prak, what is there? Viparyayam. After Shruti study, in vichara arambha, how to do vichara arambha, he is giving that. How one has to do vichara, enquiry. Ippadi vicharam pannanum. Eppadi? Ippadi. 67th shloka, vichara arambha, enquiry begins. Chintyatamanna enquiry, may you enquire into the nature of viyat. Viyatana akasha, space. May you inquire into the nature of akasha. How to inquire? Inquire in this manner. How? Bhinne viyat sati shabda bhedat buddhescha bhedatah. Bhinne viyat sati. Akasha, space, is. Two words are there. I am uttering two words. What words? Akasha. Viyat. One word I am uttering. Sati. Sat. Brahman. Sat is there. So, Akasha, one word, is another entity, existence. Existence is in this word I am using. Akasha, Viyat. Space is when I utter two words I am uttering. Shabda, Bheda. Is there or not? Viyat is different, is different. Two words are there. When I am pronouncing Viyat, that time I am not uttering isness. So Viyat separately I am uttering. Shabda is different. Isness, Shabda is different. In my buddhi also, when I am uttering Shabda Bheda irukku, buddhi lo enna jnanam irukku? Akasham irukku. Angra jnanam. Jnanamla kuda enna irukku? Bhedam irukku. Irukkira angra tanmai ஆகாசங்கிற பொருள் இந்த ரெண்டுமே இருக்கு. ஆகாசம் இருக்கு, அந்த சப்தமும் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கு, வேர்ட்ஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக அட்டர் பண்ணுறேன். அப்போ மனசுக்குள்ளே கூட இந்த ரெண்டுமே இருக்குன்னது ஞானம் இருக்கு. தட் இஸ் வாட் இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் ஹி சேஸ். பின்னே வியத்து சத். இந்த வியத்துங்கிறது ஈஸ்னஸ். போத் ஆர் பின்னே, டிஃப்ரெண்ட், செப்பரேட். சப்தபேதாத் புத்திஷ்ச பேததா. சப்தமும் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கு. போத் ஆர் நாட் சினனிம்ஸ். வியத், ஈஸ்னஸ், போத் ஆர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட். அண்ட் மை நாலேஜ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ டிஃப்ரெண்ட். தென் வாட்? வாயுவாதிஷு அனுவருத்தம் சத். This space is when I say Akashat Vayuhu. Vayu is one. Once Vayu comes here, what do you say? Airi. Air is, you say. Air is. Fire is. Vayuvadishu sat anuvrittam. Anuvrittam means inheres, continues. What? Sat. Isness. How do you know? You say air is, but you don't say there. Air is சொல்லும்போது வியத் சொல்றீல, வியத் சொல்லும்போது ஈஸ்னஸ் இருக்கு, எயிர் சொல்லும்போதும் ஈஸ்னஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ எயிர் ஈஸ் சொல்லும்போது வியத் வேர்ட் இஸ் நாட் தேர். வியத் சொல்லும்போது எயிர் வேர்ட் இஸ் நாட் தேர். லிசன் கேர்ஃபுல். தட்ஸ் வை ஐ அம் கொஸ்டினிங். இன்னும் 10 நிமிஷம் தான் இருக்கு, டைம் பார்க்காதுங்க. லிசன், வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஸ்லோகா. வியத் சதி ஸ்பேஸ் இஸ், ஏர் இஸ். when you say vayushu anuvrittam sat, air is. when you say air is, what is not there? Space is not. That word utter, I am not uttering the space. The space word I am not uttering. But what I am uttering, which is in the space is இருக்கிற word, அதில் வந்து இங்கே என்ன கொண்டு வந்துட்டேன்? Easiness. So ease is common. That's what he says. Vayu adishupi adipadat, fire, water, earth. Fire is, water is, earth is. Earth is. When I say earth is, there is no fire. When I say fire is, there is no earth. When I say air, there is no earth, water, fire. When I say water, there is no air. Word I am not uttering. But what am I commonly, samanyataya uttering? That is called anuvrittam. That inheres. Inheres in all. Space, air, water, earth, fire inheres. Anuvrittam. Vayuvadishu. Vayu, fire, earth, etc. All these. Natu vyome iti bhedadhi. It is not vyome. Vayu is not there. When I am uttering, air is, this is not extending to space. That means what? Whatever is more pervasive is dharmi. What is less pervasive is dharma. That is the logic, he says. Here, viyat is not there. When I say earth is, am I using the word viyat, akasha? No. That means what? But is more pervasive because it is all the way coming through space, air, fire, water, earth. But each element excluding the other. Each element when I utter, I am not uttering each one. What am I uttering? Every time easiness. Therefore, that which is pervasive in all of the 5 elements must be dharmi. More pervasive, the less pervasive is dharma. From the standpoint of water, water is dharmi, earth is dharma. From the standpoint of fire, fire is dharmi, water is dharma. From the standpoint of vayu, because more pervasive, Vayu, fire is dharma, air is dharmi. From the standpoint of space, air is dharma, space is dharmi. From the standpoint of Maya, Maya is dharmi, space is dharma. From the standpoint of Sat Brahman, Sat Brahman is dharmi, Maya, Karyam, Jagat, Maya, including Maya is dharma. Who is more pervasive? Sat Brahman is pervasive. The ultimate all pervasive because of guna. Pancha gunas are there, more gross. Lesser gunas, more higher. Next shloka. Sadvastvadhika vrittitvat dharmi vyomnastu dharmata धिया सतः पृथक्कारे ब्रूहि व्योम किमात्मकम्. Buddhi vritti means vritti jnanam, the vritti jnanam. In the previous sloka, buddhi vritti is there. Buddhescha buddhidhihi means buddhi vritti. Buddhi vritti means there is a thought space is another thought varada illaya vandadukku appuram thane you are able to utter. That is called buddhidhihi. Understanding vandadukku appuram danga there are five elements are along with borrowed existence you are telling. So words what you can utter when you have that in the buddhi. So now he clarifies further. This is called Shruti Upayam. Eppadi enquiry pannanumani. Tattvabodha care of. Atma is having how many gunas? One guna. Shabda gunam. Air has got Drigunam. Shabda sparsha. Fire, Shabda sparsha rupa. Water, Shabda sparsha rupa rasa. Prithvi, Shabda sparsha rupa rasa gandha. More gunas and more pervasive. More gunas and less pervasive. No gunas means all pervasive. More gunas and நம்ம நினைக்கிறோம் சகல கல்யாண இல்லை சகல கல்யாண குண கண சம்பன்னஹ பகவான் யூஸ் less pervasive. Visishtadvaiti God is பாவம் less pervasive. ஏன் தெரியுமோ சகல கல்யாண குணான நம்ம நிர்குணம் லாஜிக் சிம்பிள் லாஜிக். Earth is more gross because of more gunas. Water is grosser. No, earth is grossest. Water is grosser with 4 gunas. Fire is with 3 gunas. Air is with 2 gunas. Akasha with 1 guna. Shabda guna. Brahman, Sadbrahman with how many gunas? No guna. Means what? All pervasive. All pervasive means space beyond space. Desha kala avadhibhyam nirmuktam. That's what he says. Yad vastu adhika vrittitvat dharmi. Why it is called dharmi? Yad vastu, which entity is adhika vritti. Vritti means vyapti. Adhika vyapakaha. Vritti means here vyapakaha. That which pervades more is called dharmi. Vyomnastu dharmata. Vyomaha, the viyat, space is only, it has got property, dharmata. It has got a status of property. That's all. Why? Tasmadva etasmad atmana akashas sambhutah. Na akashatum varathukku munnadiye enna irundirukkanum? சதேவ சௌமிய இதமக்ர ஆசீத். சிருஷ்டிக்கு பூர்வம் என்ன இருந்ததப்பான்னா சதேவ. அப்போ இந்த சத்துங்கிற தர்மம் தர்மி, இந்த ஆகாஷ தர்மம். புரியுறதா? Therefore whatever is dharma is lesser order of reality. Will it afflict that dharmi? Will it afflict the dharmi anna? Akashana. Thank God. I, the Brahman, existence, I am higher order of reality. This Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Apaha, Panchabhuta, Udal, Bhutatmikam, Jagat, Sarvam, Vyavaharika, Satyam. They cannot afflict me. I am inheres in everything, but they cannot touch me. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.